Welcome back to Auto Garage, the place where future machines meet real power, and today we are standing face to face with something that completely redefines heavy construction. This is the 2026 Futuristic Bulldozer, a machine that looks less like traditional equipment and more like a weapon built to reshape the world. From the moment you see it, you realize this is not just an upgrade, it is a revolution in industrial design, performance, and intelligence. At first glance, the most striking feature is its bold and aggressive presence. The wide reinforced blade dominates the front, sculpted with sharp angular lines and finished in a stunning shiny red metallic color that reflects light like a supercar. This bulldozer is designed to make a statement even before it starts moving. The blade itself is built from advanced composite steel alloys, making it lighter than older designs while being significantly stronger. It is engineered to handle extreme loads, whether it is mining operations, mega infrastructure projects, or disaster recovery zones. As we move upward, the hydraulic system immediately catches attention. In 2026, hydraulics are no longer just about raw force, they are about precision and intelligence. This bulldozer uses next-generation smart hydraulics that automatically adjust pressure based on terrain resistance. That means smoother operation, reduced wear, and maximum efficiency in every push. Sensors placed throughout the arms and pistons constantly communicate with the onboard AI, ensuring optimal performance in real time. The tracks are another major leap forward. Instead of conventional steel tracks, this futuristic bulldozer uses adaptive traction tracks. These tracks can slightly change their tension and surface behavior depending on whether the machine is working on mud, sand, gravel, or solid rock. The result is better grip, reduced ground damage, and improved fuel efficiency. Yes, even a machine this powerful is designed with sustainability in mind. Now let's talk about the engine, or more accurately, the power system. The 2026 Futuristic Bulldozer is powered by a hybrid electric-diesel unit, delivering massive torque while significantly cutting emissions. In low-load conditions, it can operate almost silently in electric mode, which is a game-changer for urban construction and night operations. When maximum power is required, the diesel engine kicks in seamlessly, providing unstoppable force without sacrificing efficiency. Step inside the operator cabin and you enter a completely different world. This is no longer a rough, noisy environment. The cabin feels more like a high-tech command center. Panoramic armored glass provides a crystal-clear view of the surroundings, while advanced noise cancellation technology keeps the interior calm and quiet. The seat is fully ergonomic with climate control, vibration reduction, and memory settings for different operators. The dashboard is entirely digital, featuring a wide curved display that shows everything from blade angle and load pressure to terrain mapping and fuel optimization data. The AI assistant constantly analyzes working conditions and suggests the most efficient operating modes. For example, it can recommend blade adjustments to reduce material spillage or alert the operator about potential mechanical stress before it becomes a problem. One of the most impressive features of this 2026 bulldozer is its semi-autonomous capability. Using GPS, lidar, and camera systems, it can follow pre-programmed paths with extreme accuracy. This allows it to perform repetitive tasks like leveling or trench preparation with minimal human input. The operator can supervise multiple machines at once, increasing productivity while reducing fatigue and labor costs. Safety has also been taken to the next level. The bulldozer is equipped with 360-degree awareness systems that detect obstacles, workers, and other machinery nearby. If a potential collision is detected, the system can automatically slow down or stop the machine. Emergency override systems ensure full control is always in human hands, but the added intelligence dramatically reduces accidents on busy job sites. Durability is another area where this machine truly shines. The body panels are built using self-healing industrial coatings that can resist scratches, corrosion, and extreme temperatures. Minor surface damage can actually repair itself over time, keeping the bulldozer looking new and reducing maintenance costs. Internal components are modular, making repairs faster and downtime shorter. In real-world applications, this futuristic bulldozer changes how projects are planned and executed. Large-scale earth-moving tasks that once took weeks can now be completed in days. Precision grading reduces the need for rework, saving both time and money. For mining operations, the enhanced power and smart load management mean higher output with lower operational risks. What truly sets the 2026 Futuristic Bulldozer apart is how it blends brute strength with intelligence. It is not just about pushing more dirt, it is about pushing smarter. This machine understands its environment, adapts to conditions, and works in harmony with operators rather than against them. It represents a future where construction is faster, safer, cleaner, and more efficient. As we look ahead, machines like this are clear signs of where the industry is going. Automation, sustainability, and advanced materials are no longer optional, they are the new standard. The 2026 Futuristic Bulldozer is not just a concept of tomorrow, it is a working reality that is already changing the landscape of heavy machinery. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most powerful machines of the future, make sure to stay connected with Auto Garage. We bring you the latest innovations, the boldest designs, and the machines that define tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video with another incredible piece of future engineering.